If you've ever been locked out of vCenter because you forgot the single sign-on password, yeah, it happens more often than you think. Let me show you a quick and safe way to reset it. First, make sure SSH is enabled on your vCenter Server Appliance. You can do this from the Appliance Management interface. Just go into Access Settings and turn on SSH. Once that's done, connect to your vCenter using SSH and log in as the root user. After you log in, run shell.set enabled command to enable access the bash shell. Then type shell and press enter. Now, from here, you need to run the built-in password reset utility. Just a quick note. This tool is only available if you're using an external PSC or an embedded PSC with vCenter. When the menu comes up, select the option to reset the account password. It will then ask for the account UPN. In most cases, that's administrator at vsphere.local. If your environment has a custom domain, just enter that instead. After that, the system will generate a new password for you automatically. Make sure you copy it somewhere safe. Now go ahead and log into vCenter using that new password. Once you're in, don't stop there. It's always better to set your own password right away. Go to Administration, then Single Sign-On, and open Users and Groups. Select the vsphere.local domain. Find the administrator account and edit it to set a new password. And that's it. You're back in, and your environment is secure again. If this helped you out, consider subscribing. I'll be sharing more real-world VMware fixes like this.